Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to fix Strava activities with incorrect GPS data. Fixing Strava activities with incorrect GPS data is straightforward. First, keep in mind that GPS accuracy depends more on your devices than the app itself. So, using a dedicated GPS enabled watch rather than running Strava in the background on your phone can help prevent errors and future activities. To correct an already connected or recorded activity, open Strava on the website, navigate to the activity, and click the three-dot menu on the left. Select correct distance, and Strava will recalculate the distance and pace based on the map route, providing more accurate metrics, assuming the route itself was recorded reasonably well. This quick adjustment ensures your activity stats better reflect your actual workout. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.